Hello folks, once again. So this time I have a question of pressure, concerned with pressure, and it also belongs to 2019 October November paper 1-2, and the question number is 13. As you can see from the diagram, I have got several cylinders there. So the question says the same thing. So 4 measuring cylinders are filled with the same liquid. So same liquid means that their physical properties are same. To the height shown, so the height has been shown here. In the first, the liquid is up to 30 centimeter, second also 30 centimeter, and in third and fourth, the liquid has been filled only up to 10 centimeter each. And there are several markers here, and according to the diagram, we are sure that we have to deal with a point on the surface, which is a point somewhere in the middle, B is at the same height as this. So here is a point at C, and here we have a point at the base of the cylinder. So now we have to find at which point position is the pressure greatest. So one thing that we have to remember is the pressure on when we have a certain liquid in a certain item, maybe it's a cylinder, maybe it's a pond, maybe it is ocean, maybe it is a certain other vessel. So what you have is the pressure there will be, so if I have this thing here, so the pressure at this point P, let us say the point should be, let us say S should be equal to pressure is equal to P atmosphere plus P due to the liquid. P atmosphere plus P due to the liquid. So this pressure will be same over here. This is the P atmosphere. So it is equal to P atmosphere plus rho GH. Rho GH. Rho is the density of this liquid. G is the acceleration due to gravity, and H is the height of the liquid above this point. So now we have got two perceptions. If we watch from here above, it is the height of liquid above this point. But if we watch from here, above the surface, it will be depth of liquid. So there are two perceptions here. One is height and one is depth. But when I teach, I often use the word it is the depth. I don't use height because we have to see from the perspective of that point, not the observer, what I feel is. So that's why I'll use the word height here. So now if I compare here, so I have to find pressure here. So the pressure here is only due to atmosphere. It is only due to atmosphere. So here the pressure at A is equal to pressure due to atmosphere only for number A. And that's equal to, we know the value, it is a 1.014 into 10 to the power 5 pascals or Newton per meter square. Then in number B, we have got the pressure here is equal to, the pressure should be equal to pressure of atmosphere plus pressure due to this height of liquid, So it will be equal to, the pressure at B should be equal to pressure due to atmosphere plus rho G into this height, which is 20 centimeter, and the 20 centimeter is equal to, in terms of meter, is 0.20. So now number C, I have to find the pressure at this point C. So again it is also so this is nothing here, so I should not have used this thing, I should not have drawn this thing, not necessary here. So liquid surface is here. So here also the pressure is only the atmospheric pressure. So pressure due to liquid is not there. So that's why, so here also PC is also equal to pressure due to atmosphere only. Now somebody might argue that the atmospheric pressure here and here could be different. Yes, it's different, but the difference is very minute, very minor, let us say. It is very negligible, I can consider, because the pressure due to this much of air will be very less, because the density of air is less. It's just 1.293 kg per meter cube at NTP. So that's why if I add that rho GH due to that column of air, it will be very less. That's why we just use the pressure atmosphere at even C also. Now D, we have got the pressure at D should be equal to the pressure of atmosphere, which is P atmosphere plus this amount of liquid. So it is equal to rho g into the height of the liquid here is 10 centimeter, which will be 0.10 meters. So by comparing all these four things, we can say that this thing is the highest pressure. So this thing gives the greatest or highest pressure. So choice number B should be the correct choice. B should be the correct choice.